Brownville, 79 up north in Coleman. All right, let's talk about the big temperature change from tonight through tomorrow. If you're heading out to any of those JV games within the hour, kickoff temperatures largely at around 80 degrees. We did show you a couple of spots that are starting to slip into the 70s, holding in the 70s through the half and fourth quarter tonight. Now, for tomorrow, we're talking 72, a 10-degree drop in those temperatures by that kickoff, upper 60s for the half and 66 by the fourth quarter. So for the remainder of tonight, after that cold front moves through, those temperatures start their fall. We're into the 70s by 8 p.m. area-wide, and by early tomorrow morning, mid-60s, with temperatures bottoming out just before daybreak in the mid to upper 50s to our northeast. Coleman at 56, Gadsden at 53, 60 from Birmingham, Alabaster with 64 in Tuscaloosa. All right, so Saturday, let's talk about Saturday. We'll get through tomorrow. It's going to be a beautiful Friday. And then Saturday, a little bit of a change. Some clouds move in as we'll see our second cold front start to arrive late Saturday into early Sunday. That will squeeze out a few raindrops early Sunday morning and then a clearing sky by afternoon. Notice the temperatures Sunday, though. We're in the 60s and 70s early in the day. We get back into the 80s by Sunday afternoon, but that cool front, if you will, does bring some cooler temperatures by next week. That's very good news. Let's talk about this weekend forecast, because this forecast for the football games this weekend a little different than last weekend. If you went to any of those ball games, it was hot from Tuscaloosa to Auburn. Here's what it looks like for Auburn taking on Mizzou. Kickoff temperatures mid-70s, 83 by fourth quarter. Remember, it's an 11 a.m. game, so temperatures will be getting warmer down on the plains. In Tuscaloosa, a bit opposite. They'll start with temperatures warmer at 83, cooling to the mid-70s by fourth quarter. Let's talk tropics. We have major Hurricane Fiona. That will continue to track to the north, impacting Bermuda. No impact to the lower 48, but I am tracking this cluster of thunderstorms sitting just north of South America. In the next 24 hours to 48 hours, we could get a tropical depression, and then that will likely become a tropical storm by the weekend, and then by early next week, a hurricane. Here's what's going on. This will track west. It will get caught in the steering mechanism, this area of high pressure sitting off to our northeast, and that's going to guide this storm between the Yucatan Peninsula and the western tip of Cuba, and as it does so, it will likely become a hurricane early next week. So if and when it gets a name, it will become Hermine. So this would be the track of soon to be Hermine. And this is just one solution, but this storm could be entering into the northern Gulf of Mexico by Friday. All eyes will be on the tropics as we move towards the middle and end of next week. In the meantime, enjoy this weather. It's going to be beautiful for the next 7 days. Only chance of rain, really, a stray one on Sunday. And that's your 7-day forecast. Ben.
All right.